Forget everything you thought you knew about earbuds. This new Washpush open-ear design claims to revolutionize how we listen, and honestly, it's a pretty bold claim. Instead of shoving buds into your ear canal, these use bone conduction technology, sending sound waves through your cheekbones directly to your inner ear. It sounds wild, right? But the result is surprisingly clear audio without completely blocking out your surroundings. This is a huge win for anyone who needs to stay aware of traffic while jogging or cycling, or just wants to hear what's going on around them while still enjoying their music. The touch controls are also a standout feature. They've integrated an intelligent touchscreen right onto the earbuds, which is a neat trick. A simple tap or swipe lets you manage your music and calls without fumbling for your phone. It's responsive and feels quite futuristic. And for those who are always on the go, the Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity is super stable, offering a seamless and hassle-free listening experience. No more tangled wires, just pure wireless freedom. Durability is another strong point. These Washpush earbuds are IPX5 waterproof and sweatproof, meaning you can push yourself during workouts or get caught in a light rain without worrying about damaging them. They're designed to stay put and keep the music playing, no matter the conditions. The open ear design itself is also incredibly comfortable for extended wear. They don't put any pressure on your ear canal, which is a relief for many people. Overall, the Washpush open-ear earbuds offer a unique and compelling listening experience. They blend safety, comfort, and modern tech features like the smart touchscreen and stable Bluetooth 5.4 into a package that's genuinely impressive for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone seeking a less intrusive audio solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.